Hello everyone, Professor Halsey here, and I want to welcome you to Module 2 for CEIS114. In Module 2, we're going to continue to look at, and you can collapse Module 1 here so you don't have to scroll as far. But we're going to continue looking at devices and components that make up circuits. Some may be familiar, like batteries and LEDs. Others may not be, like capacitors and inductors, transistors, integrated circuits. Then we look more in detail at actuators, and printed circuit boards are introduced this week. So enjoy Module 2 as we get introduced to prototyping and a little bit more on devices. This week we have 2 graded knowledge checks. No, I'm sorry, 3 graded knowledge checks, one for lesson 1, one for lesson 2, and one for lesson 3. And then we have our graded course project component. There's 2 different tabs here. The instructions are on the first tab. That's the overview and instructions. To look like this. It has the project prep document as well as the deliverable that you're going to submit, and where you submit it is on the next link. So you come down here to course project submission to submit your project for the week for grading. All right, thank you and have a great week too. If you have any questions, go to the very top of modules and you'll see the huddle schedule, and you can jump in any of the huddles with the faculty. Thank you, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.